Now let's learn about amphibians from an amphibian expert, the professor. Professor, what is the difference between fish and amphibians?
Well, the name of this family group tells you a lot about them. The name amphibian means double life because these animals live partly on the water and partly on land. The amphibian family includes frogs, toads, newts, and salamanders. Amphibians live in warm, moist areas. They have moist skin. Most amphibians are nocturnal. That means that they hunt and are most active at night. Adult frogs and toads are known as the jumping amphibians. Frogs and toads live in or near the water. They lay their eggs in or near the water too. Frogs typically have smooth, moist skin. Toads usually have bumpy, dry skin. Both groups' eggs hatch after about 10 days into what are called tadpoles. The hungry newborn will eat plants. When they are older, they will eat both meat and plants. The newborn tadpole is like a fish. While young, it has gills for breathing underwater. As it grows, it will develop lungs to breathe air. In time, its tail is absorbed into its body. At about 6 weeks, rear legs appear, and a few weeks after that, the front legs begin to form. Soon, it will be living mostly on dry land. Newts and salamanders start their lives in the water, just like frogs and toads do. Then they grow up and move onto the land too. Their babies look a lot like tadpoles. When they are older, they will spend less time in the water. Their skin is smooth and moist. Most newts and salamanders' skin is coated with a poisonous mucus. Newts and salamanders shed their skin. They pull the dead skin off and eat it.
Gross. Well, let's see. The biggest difference that we've learned today in regards to fish and amphibians is that fish live in the water all of the time, and amphibians live partly in the water and partly in land, right?
That's right.
All right. And like fish, most amphibians start out with gills, but as they mature, amphibians begin to use air-breathing lungs, right?
Right again.
Cool.